If you want to know how to set out of office in Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn on Gmail's vacation responder, write your out of office message, and save everything properly so people know when you're away. This is super useful if you're on holiday, in a meeting, or just away from your inbox for a while. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight into your Gmail account. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. That's the little gear symbol. After that, click See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings menu where all the advanced options are stored. Now scroll down through the General tab until you find the section called Vacation Responder. This is the feature Gmail uses for automatic out-of-office replies. Once you find it, select Vacation Responder on. As soon as you turn it on, Gmail will let you customize the auto-reply message. Next, set your start date and end date. The start date is when your out-of-office reply begins, and the end date is when Gmail stops sending the automatic response. If you're not sure when you'll be back, you can still choose a range that makes sense for your trip or time away. After that, enter your subject. Keep it short and clear, like out of office or away until Monday. Then write your message. This is the email people will receive, so make it polite and helpful. You might say that you're currently away, when you'll return, and who they can contact in the meantime if needed. If you want, you can also enable the option to limit replies to contacts only. This is optional, but it can help reduce unnecessary auto-replies if you only want people in your contacts list to receive the message. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save Changes. That step is really important because if you don't save, your out-of-office reply won't turn on. After you save, Gmail will automatically send your vacation responder message during the dates you selected. And that's it. You've now set up out of office in Gmail. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of missed communication while you're away. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Gmail tutorials and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Next.